Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. Welcome to a new Tech Talk video of Python programming. Today, my topic was Python operators in Python programming language, and I'm going to present these Python operators one by one. Let's get started. In this Python operators group, these are like arithmetic operators and assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and so on. We will see the main operators which we use in Python. Let's get okay. Next slide is the first one is arithmetic operators. These are like we numerical values. We will add them, subtract them, and multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, and explanation. Like that, we use these arithmetic operators for used to numeric values to perform the mathematical operations in Python programming by our purposes. Let's see this one simple example for this one. For example, we need to add two numbers like x and y. We will assign the values for x equal to 4, y equal to 5, and print the values plus x plus y, and the output was 9. Similarly, we can use the arithmetic operators like another multiplication, division, subtraction, etc. For these arithmetic operators will simple examples for those. I think so. Okay. And next one is Python assignment operators. These are like assigning the value for any variables like x is equal to 5. X 5 is the value to assigning for x. Like that, x plus x increment. X increment means x equal to 5. Increment means plus 3. We will you get adding the value for increment 3, increment, decrement, like that, so on, etc. Assignment operators are used to assign the value to the variables only. We will see a simple example, then only you will get clarity about this Python assignment operators. Like number 1 is 4 and number 2 is 5. We're assigning the value for number 1 is 4 and the number 2 is 5. We're assigning with equal to. Python assignment operators is simply to assign the value for example like this. We will print the number 1, line 1, like that also. And okay, the next one is the Python comparison operators. These are like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, like that. If x is equal to 5, condition is true or false, like that. We will use it to compare the operators for two values like x and y. Any comparison operators are used in for two values only. Single value we wouldn't take in this one. We will take two numbers like x and y, p and q, like that. We will see a simple example for this one, like x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. Print x is greater than y is x is greater than y. For comparison operators, we will compare the values of x and the values of y and print the result in true or false. Hence, example of value of x is equal to 4, which is smaller than y. So, when we print the value of as x is greater than y, it is actually compares the value of x and y. Since it is not correct, it's written false. This is why, this is how we use this comparison operators in Python programming languages. And then we are moving to another one, that is Python logical operators. In this Python logical operators, we know and or not, like the operations in our operations, and these logical operators were used to combine the conditional statements. Wait for a second. Combine a conditional statements like return and or not, returns, we know, and operation and or operation and not operation. And operation is like return true if both the statements are true, like and I will explain with example also. Just for I am explaining this as a how it will be working. That's it. And or we will see the or operations. It returns true if one of the statements is true, like, and not is reverse the result, returns false if the result is true. Okay. Example: x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. If both are true, if then only AND operation will be gives the output. Both are same. And OR operation will be x is less than 5 or x is less than 4. If one of the statement is true, then OR will be output of the OR will be becomes true. Then coming to NOT operation, x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. If the output of the result is returns false if the res- result is true. This is how the Python logical operators were operate like this, and we will see the example for this Python logical operators. Here is an example for Python logical operator. If we get true or false based on the value of a and b, if a is true, b is false, then a and b is a and b, like that. And is operator. Print a or b is a or b. Here or is operator, and third one is not is operator here. This is how we use the Python logical operators. And the next one is Python identity operators. In this identity operators is not like that. The identity operators were used to compare the objects, not if they are not are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location, like is not is there. I will explain with the example also. X is y, x is not y, like that. And we can see is returns true if both variables are the same object. Then only is operator will be used x is y, like that. And is not is returns true if both variables are not the same object, like x is not y. This is how the operator is not and is will be works on this. Then we will see a simple example for this one. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 20. If x is equal, if x is y, print x and y same identity. It will take the same is operator like in this function. And if x is not y, print x and y have different identity. Then next use the not values of, next we use the operator is not in the code of x is not the same and as y. This is how these identity operators were used in this Python programming. Next, Python membership operators. These Python membership operators were like in two types, in, not in. Because of the membership of the operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object or not. That's the work of these membership operators. Like first of all, we can see in operator. In operator is returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. Like x in y is that x in y variable presented in or not. Like that, the in operator will be used and not in. Well, coming to the not in operator, it returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Like x is not in y, x is a variable, x is not in the y variables. Like that, the not in operator will be used in the Python membership operators like this. And we will see the next one example for this one. For example, here we check whether the values of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. The available in list not be used in and not in operators. We will take a list of numbers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we will state the if function in x in list. Print line 1 x in available in the given list. Else, like this, we will use this code like this. Else, print line 1 x is not available in the given list. If y is not in list, print line 2 y is not available in the given list. Else, print line 2 y is not available in the given list. Like this, we will run the code which will be going to print or not. Like this, like x is available in the given list. This one will be printed like x is available. Like that, these membership operators will work. And my video is completed. Thank you. Any questions? Thank you for this opportunity to give the Al Shankar College of Engineering. Thank you.